Hey, this is just an introduction really to my set of videos that cover all the theory needed for the OCR GCSE 9-1 Computer Science course, also sometimes labelled as J276. Since I started making GCSE videos in 2014, lots of people have managed to get, fantastic grades just by watching these videos, so I hope they can help you too. Make sure you use the playlists on my channel that are both specific to this exam board, so OCR, and also specific to each component, so either paper 1 or paper 2 or the non-exam assessment, depending on what you're revising of course, or what you're doing. To make sure you're watching the correct videos, you might want to save the playlist to your library so you can access it quicker. And all the videos in it directly follow the OCR specification, whereas other videos on my channel are for different exam boards. So if you just used related videos, you might end up watching a video which isn't related to your course. This course has 3 components, 2 exams and 1 NEA, which stands for non-exam assessment, and this is just a programming project which is meant to be done over 20 hours in class, so not just programming, it's also design, evaluation, testing and so on. Now normally, or technically, both exams are worth 40% of the overall grade, so each is worth 40% I should say, which means the NEA is the final 20%, but due to issues with the NEA, at the moment, it doesn't count towards the final grade, but that means each exam is worth 50% each. So they were important even at 40% each, but clearly now they are the entire grade, so super important. And the NEA is much more relaxed, even though you still have to do it. In terms of just the particulars of the exams, they're both an hour and a half long, which is pretty standard for GCSE, and they're worth 80 marks each. So if you go for the technique of spending a minute per mark in the exam, it means you end up with 10 minutes spare at the end. Both are theory exams, and paper 1 covers hardware and software, networks and impacts of computing, like different laws, etc. Whereas paper 2 covers algorithms, programming, logic and representing data, which is a huge topic. And importantly, you can't need to calculate it in either exam, but the maths is not going to be very challenging. As you're studying, I'd really recommend you make use of the exam board specification. So it's available on OCR's website, and it's a document that basically outlines every aspect of the course. So most of it is kind of administrative, so for teachers really, but a lot of it is really important to students, and most people don't make use of it. Some teachers don't even make use of it unbelievably. So it, for example, includes a mark scheme for the NEA, so if it was graded, it'd be really important you follow that. But also for the exams includes all the content that's going to come up. So I've got the topics, and basically I've made the videos following directly the specification. So that means in theory I haven't left anything out, that's really important, but also I haven't gone beyond the specification. I included topics that they're never going to come from an exam. You want to make sure you are revising as streamlined as possible, and using the specification is really useful for that because it tells you exactly what the exam board want you to know. So use it not just for computer science but for all your subjects. I used to like to print it out and annotate it if I had an exam that was really important to me. I annotate the little bullet points for each topic just to add some notes to it. That was my personal way of approaching it, but just looking at the specification gives you a ton of information that is going to be useful for the exam. So 2 main points: use playlists on my channel to navigate to the correct videos, and also use specification in a more general sense. And if you have any questions, you can email me or leave a comment. My email address is always in the description of the video, and other than that, I hope the videos are helpful and everything goes really well.